Your dryer completely stopped working. No heat, no tumbling, totally dead. There's a good chance one tiny part is the problem. It's called the thermal fuse, and it costs about $10 to $20. The thermal fuse is a safety device on the exhaust duct inside your dryer. If the dryer overheats, it blows, cutting all power. It doesn't reset. It has to be replaced. Signs it's blown, dryer does absolutely nothing. No lights, no tumbling, no heat. Some models will still tumble, but produce zero heat. Here's the critical part. It didn't blow for no reason. The number one cause is a clogged dryer vent. Lint blocked the exhaust, the dryer overheated, and the fuse did its job. If you just replace the fuse without cleaning the vent, the new one will blow again in a few weeks. That's why we always check and clean the vent when we replace a thermal fuse. It's the only way to fix the actual problem. With labor, the full repair runs about $100 to $150. Add a vent cleaning for another $100 to $200. Worth every penny compared to a house fire. We stock thermal fuses for most brands: Whirlpool, Maytag, Samsung, LG, GE, Kenmore, Frigidaire. Same-day repair. Serving Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, and Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.